In this video, I'll show you how to use the spoiler feature in Telegram. Spoilers are a fantastic way to share information while keeping key details hidden until the recipient is ready to see them. To get started, open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to the chat or group where you want to send your spoiler message. Type out your message as usual, but here's where the fun begins. Highlight the part of your message you want to hide. You can highlight just a portion or even the entire message, depending on what you'd like to conceal. Once you've highlighted the text, a set of options will appear above it. Tap on Spoiler to mark the text. If you don't see the spoiler option immediately, tap on the three dots or Additional Options menu and select Spoiler from there. The highlighted text will now appear as hidden content, invisible until the recipient chooses to reveal it. When you're satisfied, simply hit Send. The hidden text will show up as blurred or concealed until the recipient taps on it to uncover the details. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.